The marketplace buzzed. Laughter like spices filled the air. Children, eyes bright with mischief, chased pigeons. Women, draped in colorful silks, haggled over prices. A shared humanity woven through every interaction. In a distant village, a musician played a haunting melody on his flute. The notes, carried by the wind, spoke of love, loss, and the passage of time. A universal language understood across borders. A young girl, her laughter echoing through the olive groves, chased after a butterfly. Its wings, a kaleidoscope of colors, mirrored the vibrancy of life in a world yet untouched by conflict. Then, the silence. A deafening silence, broken only by the distant rumble of thunder. But this was no ordinary storm. This was the storm of war, gathering on the horizon. Fear, a cold hand, gripped the heart of the marketplace. The laughter died, replaced by a hushed anxiety. The vibrant silks now seemed to dim, reflecting the growing darkness. The musician's melody turned mournful, a lament for the life they knew. The notes, once full of joy, now echoed the despair that had settled over the land. Amidst the rubble, a flower bloomed, a single defiant splash of color against the gray, a testament to the enduring spirit of hope. The young girl, her face etched with loss, offered a piece of bread to a wounded soldier, an act of compassion, a flicker of humanity in the face of inhumanity.
The world is too small for us to be enemies.
Their eyes met, transcending language barriers. In that shared moment of pain and empathy, they found solace, a reminder that even in war, humanity endures. From the ashes, a new dawn. Hands, calloused but strong, reached out to help one another, rebuilding brick by brick the shattered remnants of their lives. Children's laughter, hesitant at first, began to fill the air again. A melody of hope echoing through the ruins, a promise of a brighter future.
Peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of justice.
The tapestry of cultures, torn but not destroyed, began to mend. Different threads, woven together by shared experiences, creating something stronger, more resilient. A world where differences are celebrated, not weaponized. A world united by peace.